Okay, so let's move to EXOVITE, that will be presented by Lucas Pedrajas. EXOVITE is developing a medical device to improve the healing processes to people with broken bones and muscle injuries. So, Lucas, please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas Pedrajas. I'm the Chief Research Officer of EXOVITE. At EXOVITE, we're working to improve the quality of life of the patients, and also we save money and time for everyone involved. This is the annual number of workdays lost due to broken bones only in the US. But why is that so many workdays are lost? When you break a bone, you're incapacitated for an average of 10 weeks. This is because the current treatment involves two linear steps. First, an immobilization phase using a cast or a splint during 5 weeks, and after the cast is removed, a rehabilitation phase that involves physical therapy and exercises, adding up to a total of 10 weeks of disability. Using our technology, we can overlap both of them, allowing for a massive cost savings and a faster recovery. But how does it work? Well, after a broken bone is diagnosed, a 3D scanner takes a 3D model of the limb. Then, automatically, a 3D splint in the computer is created. Using our patent-pending unique 3D printing technology, we print it in less than 5 minutes. An electrostimulation device that is controlled by an app on the patient's smartphone is used combined with the splint. This device is capable to perform the rehabilitation and measure the muscle mass index, all without ever removing the splint. Instead of an average of 10 weeks, we achieved the recovery in less than 7 weeks. Yes, we have competitors, but I'm not talking about them today. This is the, using our technology in the United States, the insurance companies could save $3 billion each year. And in rehabilitation costs would be reduced by $2.2 billion each year. Our customers are hospitals and rehabilitation centers where we install our system ready to use, and our revenues come from each day of rehabilitation and each cast printed. Our amazing team includes Marcelo, business developer, Juan Monzón, our CEO, Javier Muñoz, software developer, Dr. Abel Gago, traumatologist, and me. Some awards, including being selected by Microsoft Ventures in Tel Aviv, and some partners that are actively working with us to bring our technology to market. More than 100 of hospitals are around the world interested in our system, and most recently, we just started medical trials in one of the biggest hospitals here in Spain. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lucas. Any questions from the jury?
Hello. You need any kind of certification to use this 3D printing in a hospital? So this is considered a medical device, or you need any kind of certification to use this?
This machine, yes, it will be working in the hospital. It must be certificated by the FDA. One of the next movements is to seek FDA approval, but next year. Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you for your presentation. My name is Mar. I work in Silicon Valley. As you mentioned before, there are a lot of competitors in this space. It's actually very crowded. So what makes your product different to others?
Yes, others make 3D splints and electrostimulation devices, but we put it together so we can reduce the time, because you have to wait until you remove the splint to perform the rehabilitation. And this splint with holes in the structure, we can actuate to the muscle without removing it. So, and we, according with the splint, we make it in less than 5 minutes, because we invented a new technology to do that.
Yeah. Just one last question. In this adoption, because this involves a change in the behavior of the traumatologists, what is the major difficulty you are facing in the adoption from the hospital?
The difficulty is the approvals. All the bureaucracy that we have to pass through to put our system in the hospitals. Yes, we have to make the medical trials, we have to do all the stuff to that.
Okay, thank you. So we have to move to the next one. Thank you very much, Lucas.